Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. If you are new to SOLIDWORKS, you've probably experienced something like this. Normally, you can freely select faces, edges and vertices on your model. But after accidentally pressing a key on your keyboard, you might find yourself be able to select only faces, or only vertices, or only edges. You may also notice that your cursor now shows a small pink filter icon. This can be especially frustrating when using commands like fillet, where you want to select edges but SOLIDWORKS only lets you select faces. If this happens, don't panic and don't restart your part or even SOLIDWORKS. While restarting would solve the problem, there's actually a much simpler explanation. Most likely, you accidentally pressed X, which activates the face selection filter. That means you can only select faces on your model. In SOLIDWORKS 2026, pressing X again toggles the filter off, allowing you to select all entities normally once more. Let's enable it again. Whenever you see the filter icon on your cursor, it means that one or more selection filters are active. If you'd like to explore these filters further and see which ones are active, right-click anywhere on the command manager, choose Toolbars and enable the Selection Filter Toolbar. This toolbar gives you access to all available selection filters. For example, if you hover above filter faces, the tooltip also shows its keyboard shortcut, which is X. Since this filter is currently enabled, I can only select faces. As soon as I toggle it off, I can once again select faces, edges and vertices normally. The same applies to filter vertices, which uses the V shortcut, and filter edges, which uses the E shortcut. These filters become especially useful when combined with box selection, lasso selection, or any other multi-selection method, because instead of carefully selecting entities one by one while holding Ctrl, you can quickly select only the type of geometry you need. You can also enable multiple filters at the same time to create different selection combinations. The Toggle Selection Filters command with the shortcut F6 enables or disables your currently active filters. The F5 shortcut simply shows or hides the Selection Filter Toolbar. If you never use these shortcuts and find yourself activating them by accident, you can remove them. Simply right-click the command manager, choose Customize, open the keyboard tab, search for the filter commands, and remove their keyboard shortcuts. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.